NASDAQ has been on an absolute tear. And I don't know if you've seen this, but this is a correlation chart between Bitcoin and NASDAQ and the S&P. And we are at lows that we haven't seen in terms of the correlation between stocks and Bitcoin that we haven't seen since November 2023, so about a year ago. So stocks and crypto assets over the last 2 months have become increasingly discorrelated. Maybe some of the reason for that is stocks don't have Germany dumping on them. Stocks don't have a Mt. Gox unlock. That's part of the reason. But I think we also have to be open to a broader reason. And a question I have for you is like, do you think we are do you think we could be wrong about this bull cycle? It seems like AI is getting a lot of attention. You know, the narrative from VCs 18 months ago was like pivot to AI. Well, it seems like stocks have really pivoted to AI, and they're getting a ton of the attention, a ton of the inflows here. If we look at the biggest stock gainers of the S&P 500, the top 10 biggest stocks, a number of these are kind of like the tech stocks, contributed 77% of the index's total returns. So it's these big tech companies, these big AI plays basically that are driving the stock market up to this point in time. And they've outperformed crypto in a lot of ways, at least recently. Do you think we have something to worry about here?
Usually when we are meaningfully decoupled from the S&P and the stock market, it actually is like in the negative way, as in they're going up and we're going down. I've never seen us like be meaningfully decoupled to the upside, maybe except for a few acute circumstances. I don't know why that is. AI is like the at least winning the attention game, I think, as you said, just because like it's easy to understand AI. It's still hard to understand crypto. That is maybe another theme of ETHCC that I've noticed is like all the contents are getting like more technical, not less. We are talking about even deeper infra and even like more niche parts of like scaling strategies and stuff like this. We are not talking about consumer apps, and like it's definitely it's getting more insular in our world, in the crypto world. Like people aren't coming in. Like you can see that in crypto media, like YouTube numbers. Meanwhile, like this AI content sphere is exploding. It might just be an attention game. Also, at the same time, I think this industry is kind of splitting between the 4-year cycles. I think part of this industry is trying to stay on the like crack cocaine addiction of the 4-year cycles. And then another part of the industry is like, okay, like we're professional now. We have tokenization, we have ETFs. We're going to smooth ourselves out and like get off of this rodeo and just like be incrementally better every single month. And that between, I don't know, that's just like kind of like, I think contributing to some of the bad vibes. Also definitely the bad vibes are like, we don't have the bull market and there is a bull market somewhere else and it's in the tech stocks.
I'm getting a little jealous here, maybe.
Yeah. We're getting jealous.
People are. My base case is still be patient, slow summer, and then we're going to pick back up in fall. And ETH ETF is monumental, and crypto hasn't had its full bull cycle. And I'm with Raoul Paul.
I don't think we have a bull market. I think we have the ETF inflows.
Well, sure, but I actually think we'll get banana zone, as Raoul Paul likes to say. I still think that's coming. That's still my base case, but it's not inevitable. There is some sort of risk in my mind, like something to watch out for is like, well, what if we miss this cycle, right? It's like I want to be open to that potentiality as well, that kind of like AI sucks all of the oxygen out of the room, and this cycle we just haven't hit the consumer use cases here. Like we are too insular, we're too focused on our infrastructure, and we're not really developing like new use cases.
To continue leveling up your crypto game, then you need to get on the Bankless newsletter. It's the world's most popular crypto email and is completely free. Just click below to sign up.